Hi there everybody. Today we are going to be looking at adding and subtracting surds. Before we begin today's lesson, I'd like to invite you to watch the previous lesson on surds. It's also available on the YouTube channel. Let's look at our first example. So when we look at the square root of any number, what we need to do is we need to make sure that for this particular type of example, and there are different types of examples, that we are able to break 18 up into something that can be square rooted. What I mean you need to do is you need to look at the factors of 18 and see which of those factors can be square rooted. So if we look at the factors of 18, we see 9 and 2 can be square rooted. So we look at the factors of 9 and 2 and we break 18 up into 9 times 2. And then we look at 8. 8 can be broken up into 4 times 2, and 4 can be square rooted. 50, we can break that one up into 25 times 2, and 25 can be square rooted. Now, what we are going to do in the next line is we are going to say the square root of 9 is 3. But we cannot take the square root of 2 without getting a decimal. So we leave that in surd form. The square root of 4 is 2, and then we are left with square root 2 again, and then the square root of 25 is 5, and we are left with square root 2 again. Now what we need to do is we need to add them, just like we did when we did variables in grade 8 and grade 9, the addition and subtraction of variables. If this was 3x minus 2x plus 5x, you'd have no problem doing it. It's exactly the same thing. We say 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 5 is 6. So your answer would be 6 square root 2. What I've done in the second example is I've added a bit of multiplication as well. So what we have is 4 plus the square root of 3 squared minus the square root of 48. So we know what we are going to do here, don't we? Because we did it in the first example. We broke it up into something that can be square rooted. But what are we going to do here? In this first bracket, we need to expand and then simplify. That means we write the bracket out twice and then we FOIL it. So there's our bracket, and we are going to multiply the two first terms, the two outer terms, the two inner terms, and the two last terms together. So we have 4 times 4, which is 16, 4 times square root 3, which is 4 square root 3, square root 3 times 4, which is 4 square root 3, and then the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, which is 3. And then we break the 48 up into 16 times 3. That simplifies to 16 plus 8 square root 3 plus 3 minus 4 square root 3. And that gives us a final answer of 19 plus 4 square root 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.